Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to style and wear a wrap top in multiple different ways. This is great for recycling clothes or simply if you're on a budget, especially for summer. You don't want to spend too much money when it's so hot. All these looks are simple, easy, and quick to do. For starters, if you want to see how I make my wrap tops from scratch, please see the description box for a link to my video. There I'll show you how I made my wrap top using a t-shirt as my pattern piece. Also, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Okay, so let's get started. For the first look, it's going to be a simple off the shoulder with a sweetheart neckline. Simply tie the back and pull down the shoulder sleeves. It's very cute and very simple. For the next look, it's going to be one arm off the shoulder with a bow or a knot. You know, you can make a messy bow or a messy knot, and you can either have it to the center or to the side. Just play around with it and improvise what shape you want it to be. For the next look, it's another sweetheart neckline, except the shoulders are being left alone. I'm not pulling it down like the first one. So all I did was twirl the wrap pieces and tuck it in my bra. To achieve my next look, I wore my wrap top backwards. Then I proceeded to tie the front and create a bow. For the next look, same idea, except I just tie it without creating a bow. So just let it hang. Now this one has to be one of my favorites out of all of them. I'm still wearing my wrap top backwards. I twirl one of the wraps and I tuck it in to the center front line, and also I fold the bottom one in to make a little square type of piece. It's a cute, unique type of look. I might just create a top with this look already. Now for the next one, all I'm doing is just twirling the second wrap piece and just tucking it in next to the first one, making a V type of look, two ropes kind of thing. For the next one, it's a simple one arm style, so it's still backwards, but I just took off one sleeve and I'm just going to be knotting it with the wrap piece. Once again, you can always emphasize the shape of the bow or the knot. You can make it smaller, you can make it larger. It's all up to you. Now for the last look, it's just a simple off the shoulder with an exaggerated bow in the middle. Similar to the very first look that I showed you, but with the bow. Now that concludes my mini how to style look for this wrap top. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram at Denise_Oforiwah. So thank you guys again, and see you at the next tutorial.